The iPhone 16 Pro Max is just around the corner, and if you thought last year's iPhone was impressive, wait until you hear what Apple has in store for us this time. From bigger displays to smarter AI and camera upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro line is shaping up to be something truly special. Stick around because I'm breaking down all the juicy details that will make you want to upgrade. Plus, there might just be a surprise or two that Apple hasn't revealed yet. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Before we start, if you want to skyrocket your website's visibility and outrank the competition, meet SEMrush, the ultimate tool trusted by over 7 million digital marketers worldwide. Discover high-ranking keywords, analyze your competition, and fix technical issues all in one place. With SEMrush, you'll have everything you need to dominate search engines and drive real results. Ready to take your SEO game to the next level? Subscribe to SEMrush today and start growing your online presence like never before. You can find direct link in description. Now let's get back to our video. So let's dive right in with the first major change, the display. Apple is taking things up a notch, literally. The iPhone 16 Pro is getting a bump from a 6.1 inch to a 6.3 inch display, while the Pro Max is stretching out to a massive 6.9 inches, up from 6.7 inches. It's been 5 years since Apple last changed the screen sizes, so this is a big deal. Bigger displays mean more room for everything you love: games, videos, and yes, those Instagram stories. But it's not just about the size. The real magic is happening under the hood with the new A18 Pro chip. Now, every iPhone 16 will get an A18 chip, but only the Pro models will sport the A18 Pro. This chip is a beast, especially when it comes to AI. Apple's focus this year is on boosting AI performance, and the A18 Pro's neural engine is set to make your iPhone smarter and faster than ever. Imagine smoother Siri interactions, faster image processing, and more efficient power management, all thanks to AI. Now let's talk about looks. Last year, Apple introduced titanium finishes, but the color options were, well, a little too gray. This time, they're spicing things up. We're talking about a new desert titanium that's got a cool bronze vibe, a lighter gold titanium with possible rose accents, and an even darker black titanium that's giving us major midnight vibes. Whether you like to keep it classic or want something a bit flashier, these new colors are bound to turn heads. All right, picture this. You're out with friends and you see something amazing. Maybe it's a sunset, or maybe your dog is doing something hilarious. You whip out your iPhone to snap a quick photo, but you miss the shot because, well, finding the right button in time can be tricky. Not anymore. The iPhone 16 Pro is introducing a new capture button on the side, right below the side button. This little addition will let you snap photos instantly, and rumor has it you might be able to use it for zooming and focusing too. Speaking of the camera, the ultra-wide lens is getting a serious upgrade, going from 12 to 48 megapixel. That's a huge leap. This means sharper, more detailed photos, and it could also make spatial video capture even more stunning. And for those of you who love to zoom in, you'll be happy to know that the 5x optical zoom that was exclusive to the Pro Max last year is now coming to the smaller Pro model too. So no more feeling left out if you prefer the more compact phone. But that's not all for the camera lovers out there. The main camera is getting a new sensor designed specifically to improve low light photography. Whether you're capturing a night out in the city or a cozy evening indoors, your photos are about to get a whole lot better. Expect Apple to show off some mind-blowing night mode shots at their keynote. Now let's talk about something we all care about, battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro is getting a bigger battery, with the Pro Max getting an even larger upgrade. We're looking at a jump from 3,274 to 3,577 milliampere on the Pro, and from 4,422 to 4,000 676 milliampere on the Pro Max. But that's not all. Apple's also improving the thermal design, which means your phone will stay cooler and perform better even during intense use. And if you're all about staying connected, you'll love this. Apple is introducing support for Wi-Fi 7 and a faster 5G modem. That means quicker download speeds, smoother streaming, and an all-around better experience when you are on the go. So there you have it. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are bringing a lot to the table this year. From those gorgeous bigger displays and smarter AI to the game-changing camera upgrades and improved battery life, there's plenty to be excited about. Apple's not reinventing the wheel, but they're definitely refining it in all the right ways. But the big question is, are you ready to upgrade? What feature has you the most hyped? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tech updates just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.